So guys, in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to successfully get 1000 worth of Bitcoin in Luno for completing registration. Luno is a crypto app similar to Binance, KuCoin, etc. that allows you to buy a variety of cryptos of your choice, and it is very easy to set up. And also, if you are a Nigerian, I'm going to show you how you can earn at least 30k monthly for free by the end of this video. If you are new here to the channel, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Let's get started. Use the link in the description to start your registration process in Luno. Once you tap on the link, scroll down and press on sign up. After that, input your email and desired password and solve the captcha. After that, a confirmation mail will be sent to your email. Put your phone number. Once you have inputted it, an OTP will be sent to you. Select your country and press next. Fill in your details. If you are a Nigerian, select yes, I am a citizen and input your national identity number. Make sure all the details are correct, then press on confirm. After that, a page will load up to answer some few questions. Input your address line. The second one is optional, then fill in the rest. After that, complete all the necessary requirements. After that, complete all the necessary questions. After that, a page will pop up to do selfie verification. Once done, you will receive a mail if the verification is successful. While waiting for the verification to complete, download the mobile app from either Play Store or App Store, as it is more convenient to complete the next step. After you have logged in into the app, tap on settings, scroll down and see if your account is fully verified. Once confirmed, the next step is to tap on reward, tap on enter code and input this promo code to enable you to get the registration bonus. The next step is to deposit and buy crypto worth of 5,100 naira, and yes, you are withdrawing immediately after you are done. This is just for the registration bonus to be successful, as it is one of the tasks that is required in order to get the registration bonus. To deposit, tap on wallet, press on deposit, tap on next. You are required to deposit at least 5,100 and you are withdrawing immediately. Press on next. You are going to be charged 100 naira for the deposit, so you are receiving 5,000 naira. Press on pay for my voucher. You will be redirected to a page to make the payments with your card. You can press on change payment method. For the bank transfer method, a special account number will be generated for you to make the transfer to. Do make sure to make the transfer on time, as the account number is only valid for 1 hour. Also, make sure you send the exact amount that you are required to send. Don't send more or less. Once you've made the transfer, press on I have made this bank transfer. You will wait for a minute or two for the transfer to be confirmed. Once successful, a voucher will be sent to your email and phone number to redeem the voucher. Head over to your Luno app and tap on deposit. Tap on redeem voucher. Input the voucher number, voucher PIN and security ID sent to your email and phone number. They are all the same. Then press on redeem voucher. An OTP will be sent to you, then confirm it. After that, your 5,000 naira will be successfully deposited to your Luno dashboard. The next step is to press on home, press on buy. On the trading page, press on market. After that, press on max and press on buy BTC. You've now completed the necessary steps that are required of you to get the registration bonus. Before withdrawing your funds, tap on reward to confirm if your registration bonus is pending. If yours is like this, then congratulations, you've completed the necessary steps that are required of you to get the registration bonus. If you want to withdraw, press on the home page and tap on sell. On the trading page, tap on market. After that, press on max, then finally tap on sell BTC. Once done, head over to your wallet and tap on withdraw. Tap on create a voucher, tap on max and then press on next. The voucher will be sent to your phone number and email within few minutes. Once received, tap on withdraw. Tap on redeem voucher, press on add new bank details, input your local bank, then press on submit. Tap on the bank you want to withdraw to, then input the voucher number sent to your phone number or email. An OTP will be sent to confirm it, and that's all. You will receive the credit alert within few minutes. All that is left for you is to wait for 1 month for the registration bonus to be successfully credited to your balance. Regarding to what I said about earning at least 30,000 naira monthly for free, this is what I mean. I have a WhatsApp group that I share tutorials on how you can earn at least 10k on Binance monthly for free by participating in some Binance events. And also I share tips on how to get unlimited data. If you like this video, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new tech or finance videos like this. If you want to know how you can earn $1 on Pillow Fund, watch the video above. Subscribe.